So students, in this video I'm going to tell you how to implement Java expression through a Java program. Alright, so Java program, we all know that we write Java program using a class. So class, suppose I name here as C, and I give function name. What is the function name? I suppose give the function name cal. Okay, and access modifier I give it public, and function does not return anything, so I give it void. And this is the area in the parenthesis where we can pass the value. Okay, so suppose first problem I take here, or first program which I'm going to write, that is for area of a square. All right, and then I can calculate the perimeter of a square, and then I can go for the diagonal. All right, diagonal of the square. So these three things, suppose I want to perform using this program. So for that I need a side, and data type, suppose I take for the side is double, and I have taken s. You can take float also, not a problem. Now I will declare a variable for storing the area of a square. So expression is a equal to s, or the side asterisk side, right? Then perimeter. So perimeter, suppose I take p we can have 4s. So in the Java that will be written as 4 asterisk s. Easy it is, right? Now diagonal. For diagonal we take a variable d here. So for that we have got square root 2 asterisk s. All right. Now all these three things I have to perform in this program. So first I will do what? I will declare a variable a, then p and d. S is already there, and it is mentioned that it is of double type. So I take a data type for double all these, so there is no data type mismatch. So I take a variable a, then I have p, and then I have d. Then separate them using comma, and then the entire statement will be terminated with a semicolon. All right. After that I write these expressions: a s asterisk s, then I have got perimeter p equal to 4 asterisk s, don't forget the semicolon, and then I take d equal to, now the question arises, for this what do we need to do? So for this, math dot sqrt, that is the function of math class. Sqrt is a function of math class, right? And here I pass 2, then asterisk s and semicolon. So this is what I have to do here. I will write the same expression here. I will write math dot sqrt, it's small letters, all of these are, and here I pass what? 2 asterisk s. And now students, I can simply print system.out.println what is there? Area of a square is, okay. Similarly here also, system.out.println, and I will write perimeter of a square is, then I have system.out.println, and here I write diagonal of a square is, here I will write a for the area, then plus what to write here? Perimeter ke liye which variable we have taken? We have taken p, so p will be there, and for diagonal I have taken d, so d is here. Now you can see all these statements, okay? And then we'll close the function, and then we close the class. So you can see that three expressions, are there: s asterisk x, 4 asterisk s, and square root of 2 asterisk s. And all these three have been implemented into a program. So students, these programs where we have to use Java expressions are very, very easy. So in the coming videos, I'll be going for some other expressions as well. I hope everybody has understood it well. Thanks everyone. Please do subscribe my channel and share it as well. Thank you.